Hello my people, it's your girl Chinyere. This one is a quick unboxing review from the house of Khadlaj, and this one is called Shiyaaka Blue. Shiyaaka Blue. This has a very nice wrap. The presentation looks very solid. So let's just see what it is. And again, in here on the box, it has its fragrance notes in here. So we'll be reading straight from the box. Ooh. Nice. Okay, so it comes in a blue box. So this, with the blue notes, I'm expecting, blue accords, like fresh, clean. Anything blue always goes up in that range. So it has this nice paper box with its notes at the back. I don't know if you can see this. Okay, so let's go ahead and whoop, it came open. Wow, this is beautiful. Look at how the presentation looks. It comes in a plastic kind of metallic look, and it has a glass what should I call this, glass bottom, and then a glass tip, plastic, it looks glass but it's plastic, plastic tip, and it has this. Okay, so this is how it looks. So I'll be reading the notes fresh from the pack. Okay, so this is fragrance notes: top, aromatic, citrus, green, heart, floral, orange, rose, beige, amber, moxie, vanilla. Okay, let's try this. Let's know what it smells like. Whoa, look at that atomizer. First thing I can smell is the citrus. Okay, the citrus in this is much. I can feel zestiness, I can feel spice, the aromatics. This is nice. This smells like something that I know. I mean, this has like DNA of Bleu de Chanel, Bleu de Chanel, Paco Rabanne's Invictus, and something else. Again, I can't really come up with that, but the hybrid is like a hybrid of, some designer fragrance. Honestly, it's like I can smell some kind of notes from Ultra Milk, JPG's Ultra Milk. Yeah, I can get that in here too. This is a hybrid stuff. This is one to use. This is very nice. I like this. I mean, this is a good fragrance from Khadlaj. House of Khadlaj, Shiyaaka Blue, nice one. Fresh, aromatic, spicy. This can be one for any occasion. It's a great stuff. So I will give this overall an 8/10 because it's something that I've smelled before. For the longevity, I have no idea. I have to give a review about that later. But this is one. This is good. This is for guys. I feel a lady too can wear this because it's very fresh and it is very sweet. A lot of bubblegummy things happening in here. This is sweet. It's smelling over the place. I can feel it over the air. The sillage in this is great. Khadlaj, a good one from Khadlaj. Shiyaaka Blue. I recommend this. This is good. Hybrid stuff. Good.